that gives me an idea that that should be an easy money trade to get onto my books. It was an easy money trade to get onto my books. We've just sold some 55s. It's just traded a low price of 25, so it made 30 ticks. 30 ticks profit, guys. It's a very, very basic, very easy to recognize trade, and a very, very nice tradable outcome right off of that little bit of print right there. So, yep, nice outcome, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Pretty good? Pretty good. Now, the only downside is we've lost the value very, very quickly in this, so I'm very, very mindful not to overstay my welcome on it. But it's a nice way to make a living, I'll tell you, boys. Nice way to make a living. The green line, Scott, is the inflation break-evens. It's just sometimes I like to get an outside reference for the whole oil complex, but nothing to do with oil. So I like to get the inflation break-evens or the A's and the C's, just as a quick reference, the dollar, for example, as well. But usually oil inflation break-evens is a good one because we know that the dollar and oil can both go in the same direction at the same time. We know that. And therefore, it's not the most robust story, is it, dollar against? So it's better to do the A's and the C's against the J's and the S's to get oil rather than the dollar itself. That gives us a better read, a better understanding of what's going on in the commodity world. No, everybody just learns from the guys that were on the desk before. You know, it's just the way, you know, when you first walk into a bank, you start learning from the guy that's sitting in charge of that desk, and you pick up techniques as you go from bank to bank or department to department. You start picking up different ideas and different techniques. You go to the quant side, and there's all the programmers talking about this, and then you go to the statistical arbitrage side, and you've got all the guys talking about something different, and then it's just a merge of ideas that forms your own opinion about trading. And you know, for you guys coming into this class, your trading ideas will be probably from all the books and all the courses you've done in the past, plus this course, plus everything you think to be true about fundamentals and technicals. And as I said, plenty of books that you've read, perhaps some YouTube videos that you've seen in the past as well. A lot of stuff that you have to, that forms your trading personality. And from that, of course, this is why when we talk about interns, we're getting guys that have no idea about what the markets are doing and why they're doing it. And that way they come in with absolutely no baggage to try and get through. They're coming in just with basically, what the hell do I do? Just point me in the right direction. Tell me where to shoot and I'll shoot. And that makes life very, very easy for us because we can start molding them in exactly the right way without having to get through the baggage that a lot of retail traders have, because they've obviously watched all the crap on YouTube, and they've watched all the crap on you know, various classes and courses and books on Elliott and Fibonacci and Gann and all of these kind of things, and not really spent their time doing the things that they should be doing, which is watching videos on the likes of Charlie D and Buzzy Schwartz and things like that.